If you've ever typed text in all capital letters in PowerPoint and wanted to quickly switch it to small letters, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the fastest way to change capital letters to lowercase in PowerPoint without retyping anything. This is a super useful trick for presentations, titles, labels, and any text that needs a cleaner, more professional look. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide that contains the text you want to change. Now, click and drag your mouse to select the text. Make sure the text is highlighted because PowerPoint can only change the case of selected text. If you want to change a full text box, you can also click inside it and use Ctrl+A to select everything in that box. Once the text is selected, look at the top of PowerPoint and click the Home tab. The Home tab is where you'll find most of the basic text formatting tools, including font size, bold, color, and case options. After you're in the Home tab, look for the Change Case button. It usually shows as AA, and it gives you different letter styles for your text. Click that Change Case icon to open the menu. In the list that appears, choose Lowercase. As soon as you click Lowercase, PowerPoint will instantly convert all the selected capital letters into small letters. No typing again, no copying and pasting, and no manual editing needed. This is a really fast way to fix text that was accidentally typed in all caps or to reformat your slide content for a softer, more readable style. If the text doesn't change right away, just make sure the correct text is still selected before clicking Lowercase. And if you have multiple text boxes, you can repeat the same steps on each one. Select the text, go to Home, click Change Case, and choose Lowercase. That's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can change capital letters to small letters in PowerPoint and make your slides look much better. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next simple PowerPoint tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.